Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is September 25th, 2016, and Ron Baker, Pepper, and I are out here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, testing some old motors. We also have Mark Lodge and Ed Hine out here also. We're having a little Gopher Chapter mini meet. So anyway, I brought a few motors with to give it a try. This one here is about a 1973-72 20-horse Chrysler that I recently picked up, and I believe they're running right now because I broke the recoil on it. So anyway, we're in the 1968 Lund C14, which is it's a heavy old tank, but we'll give you a little show on this one. Windy day today. Kind of got to take the weather you can get. Shake some weeds first. I also have it trimmed up a bit too high. Okay, that'll do it for this one. We'll get the next one out of the truck. Thank you for watching. Bye.